There are just a few months before Apple's autumn event, and rumors on everything from its design and camera to its hardware indicate that Apple will be making big modifications to the iPhone 15 series, notably the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here is what we presently know about the impending iPhone 15 Pro Max, in light of the numerous contradicting reports that are circulating. Several tipsters have suggested that the iPhone 15 Pro Max may have a curved design, and the same can be seen on the mock-ups of the smartphone that have leaked. Shrimp said it may also receive curved bezels. The visible portion of the Apple Pro will stay flat, but the side bezels will be much thicker, slimmer and enclosed inside the curve region to create a display that seems more bezel-less, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra's display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may have the tiniest bezels of any smartphone, measuring only 1.55mm, according to 2to5Mac. The addition of the USB Type-C connector, which will replace Apple's proprietary Lightning port in compliance with EU standards, is one of the largest improvements to the iPhone in recent years. According to a source, Apple could only permit Wi-Fi certified products to benefit from full charging speeds when using third-party chargers and connections. Also anticipated for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a titanium frame with haptic mid-switch, which has been shown in smartphone renders. A new action button similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra may be configured by another leak. Along with the iPhone 15 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is anticipated to contain the brand new A17 Bionic chipset, which may be built using the cutting-edge 3nm manufacturing technology. Only the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will receive the 17 Bionic chip, according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. The RAM is also anticipated to be increased to 8GB. Leaked benchmark results for the iPhone 15 Pro Max demonstrate how much faster it may be than both the flagship Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to reports, the iPhone 15 Pro Max scored 3019 on Geekbench SIXS single-core test, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 2523 and 2000, respectively. Additionally, it has been said that Wi-Fi 6E will be included with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.